This Lymorvex voice recorder offers exceptionally large internal storage, making it realistic to archive thousands of hours of lectures, meetings, and interviews without constantly offloading files. Its battery endurance is strong enough for multi-day use, and the automatic saving when power runs low adds a layer of protection that frequent recorders really appreciate. The artificial intelligence-based noise reduction and modern digital signal processing produce clear, intelligible audio that holds up well even in echoey classrooms or busy offices. A slim, very light body combined with a strong built-in magnet makes it easy to carry discreetly or attach to metal surfaces for convenient hands-free recording. Flexible voice activation and timed recording modes help conserve power and storage while also letting you capture only the moments that actually matter. Broad compatibility with common phones and computers, simple one-touch operation, and the included accessories make this recorder straightforward to integrate into everyday work or study routines.